Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. It's another vintage Coach bag video. I haven't done one in quite a while. I've just been really inspired by Have Louie Will Travel. If you haven't seen her channel before, go and check her out. I will link her channel down below. She's been adding a ton of really great vintage Coach bags to her collection, and she's been posting the photos on Instagram. So I've just been really inspired by her. I love using vintage Coach bags when the weather starts getting cooler. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the mix of like the rich leather with the colder weather. I don't really know. But anyways, if you haven't checked out her channel or her Instagram, like I said, I'll link her channel and her Instagram down below. She has a really great channel, really great Instagram. So go and give her a follow. So I did a video before sharing my entire vintage Coach bag collection. If you haven't seen that video before, I will link that video down in the description box below, and I'll also leave it up here so you guys can go and check that out. But since I posted that video, it's been quite a while, I think maybe almost a year. I have significantly downsized my vintage Coach collection, and I've also added I think just one new piece, which I'm really excited about. I actually added it recently. I've just been really trying to edit down my closet, trying to go back to like a capsule wardrobe. So that includes bags as well. I've gotten rid of a lot of bags. So everything in my collection right now is pretty much like the core items that I really love, that I use really often. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys my updated vintage Coach bag. Okay, so the first bag that I have here, this is the Coach Rambler bag. The style number is 9061, and this is by far my favorite bag in my collection right now, like in my entire bag collection. I just added this one very recently, and I got this one off of eBay for about $50. Now that's like way over what I would normally pay. All the other vintage Coach bags in my collection, I've paid about $20. I don't think I've ever paid over maybe like $35, but it's so difficult to come by a bag in this color, in the condition that this bag is in. It's in pretty much brand new condition. So there's a couple of things that I want to mention about this. The first thing is that vintage Coach bags are truly amazing. So when I bought this bag, like I said, it's in pretty much brand new condition. The only thing was that there were two marks on the bag. So the first mark is this one. It's quite small actually. It's gotten a lot smaller and lighter since I washed this. But then there was also another mark here that was a lot darker and a lot more like, it looked like a stain, like an oil stain of some sort, or maybe like a candy stain. And then there was like something crusted on in the middle of it. I mean, it was pretty small, like no bigger than my pinky fingernail, but it was very noticeable. So when I took this home, I cleaned this bag entirely. It was really clean on the inside, but I cleaned it with my like Coach like cleaning process. I have an entire step-by-step video of that where I actually clean a bag and show you guys step-by-step how I do it. I'll link that video down in the description box below as well, and I'll have a link over here if you want to go and check it out. But I used that process that I showed in the video, and guys, it was amazing. It like significantly lightened this one, and it completely took out whatever stain was here. I'll try to insert a photo for you guys in this video. I'm telling you guys this because if you see a vintage Coach bag that you guys like, if it's not too expensive, and there's, you know, some dirty parts or some stains, like vintage Coach bags are just amazing. Like you can clean them and they just look brand new, and it's just, yeah, I just love these bags so much. They just last and last and last. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, okay, so this bag, like I said, I got it off of eBay for about $50. This color is the, I think it's just called tan. That's what I've been searching, and that's how I found it. But it is so hard to find a bag in this color, especially this bag, the Coach Rambler, in such excellent condition. And it's actually just really hard to find the Rambler in tan, period. But I really like the tan bag because I love the color. It's significantly lighter than the British tan. So I do have a British tan bag here. So this is the, you know, typical Coach British tan color. It might be a little washed out on camera right now. And this is the tan color. This one reminds me of like slightly patinaed vachetta leather. Except the great thing about this is that it's not vachetta leather. It's just dyed this color, so it's not going to darken. And I absolutely love this color so much. And I really liked the silver hardware paired with it. So I just think the combination of the like honey colored leather with the silver is beautiful. And I've just been looking for this color combo in this Rambler bag forever. So when I saw it for $50, and then you know, it's practically in perfect condition, no scuffs, no scratches, nothing. I just decided to splurge and go ahead and get this bag. So the Coach Rambler has this front flap with a turn lock on the front, very classic. And then it has this expandable pocket. It's not a slip pocket, so you can fit quite a bit in here. And then when you open it up, it's just a large, you know, empty like pocket, and then it has a small zip pocket that goes all the way across on the inside. And then on the back, it does have another little slip pocket, so you could keep like receipts, maybe like a small book, whatever you want. And then the straps are adjustable, so there are 4 holes. I like to keep it on the shortest setting and use this as a shoulder bag, but you could definitely use it on the longest one and then use it as a crossbody. You could also take the strap off as well. So yeah, absolutely love this bag. I think it's just the perfect size for every day. And the style is just so cute and so classic for fall. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this a ton in the fall. I'm actually gonna have a fall capsule wardrobe video and blog post coming within the next 2 weeks. And this bag is going to be in my fall capsule wardrobe video. So if you wanna see lots of different ways to style this bag, definitely make sure to subscribe. Head over to my blog as well, because Alright, so the next bag is my Coach Stewardess bag. Okay, I'm kind of going in order of favorites here, but yeah, the Rambler is definitely my first favorite, and this Coach Stewardess bag is definitely my second favorite. I have had this bag for quite a while now, and I just always come back to it. It's such a classic bag. Like, it's just such a classic shape to have, and it's so, I don't know, like vintage French chic in my opinion. So I don't know, I love this bag so much. So this is the Stewardess. The style number is 9525. And it's quite a big bag, I think. It's bigger than it's not super big, but it's bigger than all of the other vintage Coach bags that I have. So this one also has the adjustable straps, and this one also, I think also has 4 holes. And then for this one, I don't keep it on the shortest setting. I just keep it on the second to shortest. The front, again, has a flap with a turn lock. This one, the one that I have, is black with gold. And then on the inside, this one does not have like an expandable pocket. It has a large slip pocket, and then it has a smaller pocket here as well. You could keep like a phone, chapstick, really convenient. And then when you open it up, again, like a big bucket. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then there's also a small zip pocket, like a slip pocket that zips on the inside. So you can carry like any sort of items in there that you need like more secure. The back does not have any pocket, and then the bottom of the bag does have 4 little like feet, so that's really nice. I got this one for a really good deal. I think I got this for about like $30, which is absolutely amazing. If you look for stewardesses now, they're all like $100 and above. So yeah, I just got really lucky with this bag. Again, this one is also in pretty good condition. There's like a couple of like scuffs and dry areas like on the strap here, but other than that, it's in really good condition. No major scratches or anything. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. So the next bag that I have here is the Coach Basic bag. This one, as the name suggests, is very basic. It's literally just it almost looks just like a clutch, and then it just opens up into a bag. Like just one pocket here, and that's it. It's very basic. Then the great thing about this one is it does have like this little wristlet pull on the zipper, so you can use it either as kind of like a clutch, very large wristlet, or you can put the strap on. The strap is removable, and then you can wear it like crossbody or as a shoulder bag. This one I generally wear as a crossbody. And then this one, the strap is not adjustable, so it comes as a double one. It's like a double leather strap, and it's not adjustable. I actually have this bag in the updated version as well. So I don't think this one is called the Basic bag. I think it's called something else when they re-released it. I don't remember. Or maybe this one is the one that's not called the Basic. I can't remember. But one of these, either the original or the release, was called the Basic bag. They re-released it, just, you know, it changed slightly. So you can see the original is slightly, I think it's slightly bigger. Like, it's slightly taller, that's what it is. Yeah, so it's slightly taller, and the leather is also very different. So this one came out in 2012, and it came out in 2012 as part of their like Coach Classics reissue, and this was the British tan color. This one is also a British tan, but this one's from the 1970s, and you can see a very, very large difference. The leather on this new one is much softer, much squishier. This one is really, really like, it's a lot stiffer. So yeah, that's kind of the differences there. Other than that, the only other difference with the newer one that came out, I have a bunch of stuff in here because this is the bag that I'm kind of using every day right now, but this strap is adjustable. So this one, it's not a double leather strap like the old one. Sorry, let me put all the stuff down. So this one has like a little buckle and you can adjust it. All right, so the next bag that I have here, this is one of my favorites as well. This one is the Coach Dinky. I think it's called the Dinky bag. This one was also from the 2012 reissue. It's very small and it's very convenient, so I really like that. All of these bags, I forgot to mention, do have unlined leather, but this one, when you open it up, it has like this really small slip pocket here. I usually just keep like band-aids or cards here, and then it opens up into the bag itself, and then there's a very small like slip pocket here in the back, and then there's nothing on the back of this. So there was a bag, I think it's called like the Coach Pocket or the Coach Penny bag. I forget what it's called. I had two of them before in my collection and then I sold them. But this one also does not have adjustable straps. This one also has like the double leather strap. So yeah, I actually prefer the double leather strap to the buckle strap. I think these ones are, I don't know, I just like them better. I think they're cuter. So, all right guys, so the very last bag in my collection, this is the super classic vintage Coach quart bag. This one is also from their 2012 Coach Classics reissue. When you open this one up, this one, the flap only is like halfway. It doesn't go all the way down, it's just halfway. When you open up the bag, there is a slip pocket here in the front, and then it opens up into the bag itself, and then there is a another zippered slip pocket back here. So very classic. I feel like a lot of the Coach bags have this kind of a layout, and then on the back there is also a slip pocket. So this one, I got it in the mahogany color, and I've used it quite a bit, but I haven't used it at all really in the last like couple of years. I don't know, I just feel like this style is a little bit too structured for me. The strap does come off and it is adjustable, so it has like the buckle as well. Coach quart bag, I feel like is very similar to the Rambler, like in size and kind of in shape. The difference is that this one has a top handle, and the strap, like this buckle, is way bigger, and this one has more of like a just like a more subtle like strap, sorry, a more subtle way to put the strap on. It's just this little hook and you just hook it on, so it's not quite as apparent as the huge buckle. And then of course the Rambler has this extra like expandable pocket here. But honestly, I personally like the Rambler style better. I think it's a lot more casual. I just feel like this one is really, really structured. And all right guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was kind of a long video. I just love vintage Coach bags so much, and I love making videos about them. So if you have any other ideas about what vintage Coach bags you'd like to see, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'd love to create more vintage Coach bag videos for you guys. I do occasionally list some of my bags that I'm getting rid of on my Poshmark, so I will link my Poshmark account down below and you can go and check out. I have a lot of clothes, bags, shoes on there, and they're all like very gently used. So if you are into shopping secondhand, definitely make sure and check out my closet. I'll also link my Instagram and my blog down below. Like I said, I will be having a capsule wardrobe video coming out very soon in the next couple of weeks, a fall capsule wardrobe video. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then check out my blog and subscribe over there as well. All right guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.